Next one is solution of worksheet 3. In this chapter, we have to multiply two rational numbers. This is question number 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का यहाँ से 3 क्वेश्चन आपके सामने सॉल्यूशन दे रहा हूँ. The first one is 11/7 by -3/8. Means we have to multiply that two rational numbers. Right? First 11/7 multiply -3/8. What we get? What do you mean by multiplication? Multiply the numerator and multiply the denominators. 11 into -3, 11 into -3, 7 into 8. That is -33/56. And this rational numbers, the resultant is in a standard form. दो तरीका है. The first one is negative sign is in the numerator and the HCF of numerator and denominator is 1. That's why we can say this is in standard form. Now solve this question. Okay. First of all, -3 into -48 divided by 12 into 1. Multiply the numerator. 348 minus into minus, it will be plus. (144) divided by 12. Right? Next 12 into 1 12, numerator को multiply कर दिए. Both have the same sign of positive sign, but 12 is the common factors of this and this. ये दोनों 12 से डिविजिबल है. 1 times and the 12 times. So our answer is 12. One more questions. First of all, multiply -14 into -3, 9 into 7. We have minus into minus, it will be plus, and 14 into 3, 42. 9 into 7, 63. Now, what is the common factor? कौन सा ऐसा नंबर है जिससे दोनों डिविजिबल है? चेक इट. 7 से डिविजिबल है. 7 से 6 बार में 6 टाइम, 7 से 9 टाइम्स. Okay, that's this. This is in our standard form. So this is our solution. In question number 2, this is called cumulative property. Multiplication का the first property is cumulative property. इसे verify करना है. I know that x into y is equal to y into 6, y into x means cumulative property is true for multiplication, and we have to verify this. So first of all, find the x into y. Left hand side, x into y. What is x? -17 by 48 into -96 by 51. Right? Numerator -17 into -96, 48 into 51. Okay? Minus into minus plus. Can you multiply this? Yes, but it is longer. ये थोड़ा लंबा हो जाएगा. तो 1751, 17 की टेबल में 51 आती है. Means 51 is divisible by 17. How many times? 3 times. 17 से 51 cancel करेंगे, it becomes 3 times. Okay? Here is 1. 48, 96. 48 के टेबल में 96 2 times में, means 2 and 1. And we get the resultant 2/3. Understood? When we have to solve left hand side, we get 2/3. Now right hand side, RHS, that is y into x. Solve y into x. First of all, write y. Y को लिखना है, which is -96 by 51, then write x minus 17 by 48. Now write the numerators in multiply form. Minus 96 into minus 17, 51 into 48. Minus into minus plus. Again 48 96 मल्टीप्लाई में कैंसिल होता है 48 से 2 times and here it's 1 17 1 17 3 times means 2 into 1 by 3 and minus into minus plus होता है so plus sign तो हम लोग लिखते नहीं है. Now what we get 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. In the last you have to write left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay. Next question is question number 3. This is associative property. Associative property को true करना है, verify करना है. Means it is always true in multiplication. That's why इसे verify करना है. The first one is x into y bracket into j. And first of all लेफ्ट हैंड साइड ले लेते हैं हम लोग, जिसको हम लोग x into y into z करेंगे. या डोंट राइट लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, ओनली फाइंड द वैल्यू, ओनली फाइंड द वैल्यू x into y into z. Okay. Right? What is x? Minus 4 by 7 into what is y? Minus 3 by 8. And what is z? 16 by 5. Now solve it. Minus into minus, minus 4 into minus 3 by 7 into 8 into 16 by 5. Again it is divisible. अगर divisible होता है तो उसको कैंसिल कर दीजिए, वरना वो डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा, बड़ा मल्टीप्लिकेशन हो जाएगा. सो माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा, इट विल बी प्लस 4 से 2 टाइम्स, तो 1 into 3 7 into 2. कैसे 2 हुआ? 4 2 4 1 जा 4 4 2 जा 8. इट विल बी कैंसिल एंड माइनस into माइनस इट इज प्लस, प्लस साइन है तो प्लस इज एवरीवेयर. नाउ राइट 16 by 5. It becomes 3 by 14 into 16 by 5. What is the resultant? 16 into 3. 48. 14 5 70. Again it is divisible. It is divisible by 2. HCF is 2. So it becomes 24 by 35. Now it is in standard form. Right? Next one is x into y into z. X into y into z, which is in the bracket y into z. Means we have to first find the y into z. Right? X minus 4 by 7 into what is y? Minus 3 by 8. What is z? 16 by 5. Minus 4 by 7 into 8 into 5 minus 3 into 16. Again it is divisible. 8 into 2 16. So write minus 4 by 7 into 2 times now 2 1 5 minus 3, because in this bracket there is only one minus, and 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16. Cancel. Now multiply it. It becomes minus 4 by 7, minus 3 into minus 2, minus 6 by 5. Now solve it. Minus 4 into minus 6 by 7 into 5. What we get? Minus 4 minus 6. Both have the negative sign, so multiplication में or it will be positive. 6 into 4 only 24, 7 5 35. Then what we observe, क्या observation मिला? This is equal to this because associative property both are equal. Next one is question number 4, which is actually distributive property over addition. मल्टीप्लीकेशन का एक प्रॉपर्टी प्रीवियस क्लास में बताए थे, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी ओवर एडिशन. We have to verify is this example. Okay, what is given? X, Y, Z, three rational numbers which is X, Y, Z are given, and the left hand side is X into Y plus Z. First of all, write down your given rational numbers in the place of X, Y, and Z. What is X? Minus 3 by 7. What is Y? 2 by 5 plus minus 4 by 9. Okay, solve it. 5, 9 both are co-prime number. LCM is 45. Now 5, 45, how many times? 9 times. 9 to 18 plus 9 से 5 times minus 20. Use curly bracket. Okay, 9, 45, 5 times. 9 से 5 times में division होगा. 5 into 4, 20. Now write it minus 3 by 7 into 18 and minus 20. It becomes minus 2 by 45. Now what is the result? Minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2, 7 into 45. What we get? 6. 7 into 45. 315, right? 7 into 45 इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर लीजिए. ऐसे 45 डिविजन बाय 3. अगर यहाँ नहीं कटिंग हुआ है, कैंसिल नहीं हुआ है, तो हियर both are divisible by 3. How many times? 2 times. And here, okay, now we get 2 by 105. Next side, in the RHS, we have X into Y plus X into Z. Means we have to write the rational numbers in the place of X, Y, Z. First of all, what is X? Minus 3 by 7 into what is Y? 2 by 5 plus what is X? Minus 3 by 7. What is Z? Minus 4 by 9. Find out the multiplication. Minus 6 by 35, 12 by 63. Okay, now find the LCM of 35 and 63. Okay, find the LCM of 35 and 63. That is 35, 63. Okay, it will be 45 into 7, that is 350. So we can write here 350. 35, how many times? 9 times. 9 6 0 54. 63, how many times? 63, 5 times. 63, 5, 350. So 5 into 12, 60. Now what will be? Minus 54 plus 60. Which is greater? 60. Sign is positive. So after subtraction, it will be minus 54 plus 60. So sign is positive. 6 by 350. Again, just like saying, both numerator and denominator are divisible by 3. It becomes 2 by 105. Okay, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 105, that is 315. Now we have seen both the left hand side and right hand side are equal. Left hand side is equal to our right hand side. Okay. In the next question, we have to verify these two given expressions. This is our left hand side. Left hand side is first of all write which is given, what expression is given in the left hand side. हमेशा लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में दिया हुआ है solve. Left hand side is written. Now solve the bracket first of all. What is the LCM? 7 and 14. LCM is 14. How many times? 2 times. 1 into 2. 1 times. Now it becomes 3 by 5 into minus 7 by 14. 3 into minus 7, 5 into 14. 3 into minus 7, that is minus 21, 5, 70. Both numerator and denominator is divisible by 7. How many times? 7, 3, 7. 7, 3, 10 times. Okay. Next one is our right hand साइड. जब हम आरएचएस लिखेंगे तो सबसे पहले जो आरएचएस में दिया हुआ है विथआउट सॉल्विंग, सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चन आरएचएस में है राइट 3 by 5 into minus 1 by 7. 3 by 5 into 5 by 14. Okay. Three into minus 1, 5 into 7. 3 into 5, 5 into 14. Here it is divisible. 5, 5. Okay, numerator denominator divisible है. Cancel कर देंगे. 3 into minus 1, minus 3 by 35, minus 3 by 14. Okay. Now, what is the LCM of 35 and 40? It is 70. 70, sorry. 35 और 14 का LCM क्या होगा? Find out the LCM in the rough work. Space 35, 40. It will be 70. 35 2 times. It will be minus 6. 5 times 15. It will be minus 21 by 20. 70. Now both numerator and denominator is divisible by 7. 3 times minus 3 by 10. Observe our left hand side and right hand side are equal. So write in the last left hand side equal to right hand side. Yeah, you can write proved. Okay, verified. Next question is simplify. First of all, we have to simplify, and the next one express in standard form. जो result आएगा after simplification, you have to change that result in its standard form. If it will not in standard form, अगर वो standard form में नहीं रहेगा तब. First of all, solve minus 4 into bracket का काम पहले करेंगे. Solve the bracket. What is the LCM? 3 and 10, 30. How many times? 10 times. So it will be 73 times 27. Right? सिंपल है सब्ट्रैक्शन. क्लास 5 से आप लोग पढ़ रहे हो. सिंपल सब्ट्रैक्शन है. नेक्स्ट वन इज minus 4 into 70 minus 27. What will be result? 0, 7, 3, 43 by 30. Okay. This is the plus sign, so positive sign बड़ा है, so we have plus 43. Now 30. -4 means -4 by 1. Now simplified, -4 into 43, 1 into 30. 4 into 3, okay, -172 by 30. Now the question is, it is simplified. ये simplify हो चुका है. This is our result. But express in standard form. क्या है standard form में है? Negative is in the numerator. चलो एक हो गया. Second one is the highest common factor is 1. ये दोनों किसी एक नंबर से कट तो नहीं रहा है. We have seen both are even number, both are divisible by 2. 2 से divisible है, then divide कीजिए इसको. 8, 6, 15. Now it is in standard form. Okay. -86 by 15. 2 से divide हो गया. Next one is -86 by 15. It is in standard form. इसी तरह से आपको 7 का बाकी सब क्वेश्चन बनाना है. ओके. नेक्स्ट वन क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 विच इज द फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. प्रॉपर्टीज को ध्यान से पढ़िए, उसके बाद फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स आराम से जवाब दे दीजिएगा. थैंक यू.